need to do is figure out how to make them climb stairs. Like this pool cleaner from Aiper. Just a couple of years ago, Aiper launched the first wireless pool cleaner. That is, assuming you don't count a human, which is more like 315,000 years ago. But, I mean, come on, could your human pool cleaner suck 8,500 gallons per minute? Not without a bunch of whining, I bet. Thankfully, Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max doesn't use its intelligence to complain, but instead uses 40 sensors to map your pool, no matter how strangely shaped it is, and uses adaptive pathing to ensure 100% coverage of the bottom, walls, waterline, and surface. It can even use its ultrasonic sensors to avoid things that aren't debris, like your pool toys. This nimbleness is partly thanks to its thrust vector control, like you'd find in a VTOL, that helps it manipulate the direction of thrust. Okay, they're probably stretching the definition a little bit, but these motors should allow the robot to climb stairs, avoid inlets and ladders, and even save itself from a fall from an elevated platform. And even with industry-leading suction and quad brushes, this robot can run for up to 10 hours on the surface of the pool and up to 5 hours in the bottom. But what if your robot glitches out? Well, using their HydroHub Pro accessory, which includes water quality testing, you can communicate with your bot even when it's underwater, allowing you to monitor its progress, see a map of your pool, change modes, or even recall the robot to the surface. Once you throw it out, you just chuck it on the optional wireless caddy to wirelessly charge, and then cart it over to the shed. We've got a coupon code down below that'll get you $200 off your purchase.